Create new folder and name it My Virus. Open your IDE and open this folder. Now create a new Python file in this project folder and name it virus.py. Here we need a few simple codes. A variable x equals 0, while x is not equal to 3, print any scary text that you want. For example, I write cyber.33 hacked, comma, x, comma, file equals open parentheses 2 double quotation. This will build a new file called virus.txt. This is argument A, stands for append, which means every time we add something new to end of our text file, and we add 1 to the variable x plus equal 1. Run and you will see we have new text file in our project folder, but we want to make this text file more complicated and endless. In order to calculate, we use CPU. In order to read and write a file, we use RAM and disk. We need a new library called random, so import random as R. We're gonna write some calculation here to make it more complicated for CPU. Hex equals R dot random multiplied by 10 to the power 16. We don't need this, nor this, while 1 to have infinite loop. Now we are going to export everything in one exe file. Open your project folder and in this section write cmd. Enter. Pip install PyInstaller. PyInstaller package is installed successfully. Again, cmd, enter. PyInstaller space minus one file space -w, and we have to write our Python file, which is virus.py, and enter. -w is because we don't want any window to show up the virus. We want to run everything in the background. Exe file is ready. To see how it works, I open Task Manager because, as I said, no window will show up. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and hit the bell. I want to open the virus. You can see that text file is created and it's getting bigger and bigger. CPU, memory, and disk are working really hard for nothing, and your device is going to